Well, a lot of Victorians were looking up last night as a bright meteor soared across the sky, lighting it up and sparking a whole lot of interest on social media. Now, to explain what happened and why, I'm joined by astrophysicist Dr. Sarah Webb from Swinburne University. Dr. Webb, thanks for your time this afternoon. Now, it looked like a fast fireball, but can you talk us through exactly what happened just before 8 last night?
So just before 8, people were absolutely treated to what we call a meteor. So this is a piece of space rock, likely a bit of an asteroid, that has entered our atmosphere and started to burn up. And that's what created that really bright, beautiful fireball that people have reported around the state.
And people have also reported hearing a bang. What was that about?
That's right. So it looks like there was a sonic bang which occurred from this meteor. This can happen when things get really hot as they enter our atmosphere and begin to break up. And these sonic bangs have been recorded around the world and throughout history, and it appears that we were lucky enough to get one last night.
Wow, OK, so there's lots of different reports around this, but there are also some reports about the ground shaking. Is that something that you'd expect with this type of event?
So not typically from the ground shaking as the meteor has entered our atmosphere. It could be people are feeling the effects of that sonic boom that has travelled outwards. It could alternatively be if something did land in between, we think, Bendigo and Ballarat, and it hit the ground, potentially small waves could have been formed. But typically for that, we expect the events or the objects to have landed, the meteorites, to be very large. So I would suspect that these rumbles might have been that sonic boom, which is just a testament to the power of these objects as they fall into our atmosphere.
Now, blink and you'd miss it because we've seen that vision. It doesn't go for a whole lot of time. How long does that process actually take, though, from it where it's come through the atmosphere and then when it obviously all ends?
Only a couple minutes, really. It is a very fast event. A lot of these objects that enter our atmosphere are travelling at tens of thousands of kilometres per hour. The speeds in our solar systems get extensively fast, and so they enter already travelling fast. Our atmosphere does slow them down a bit, but it really is only sometimes a few seconds you get a glimpse of what we call shooting stars, and we get small meteors burning up in our atmosphere. And when we get larger chunks like this, it might only be a minute or so.
OK, do we have any idea what starts it, what sparks it?
So for these meteors, this one we think was what we call a sporadic meteor. It happened by chance, and it likely happened from a piece of asteroid that just happened to get a little bit too close to the Earth and got caught by our gravity and burnt on up. So this is not uncommon. We do get about 17 meteors reported per day around the world. Lots of them are very, very small, don't make beautiful fireballs and make a show like this one, but it's not uncommon for space rocks to enter our Earth and land on the ground potentially as well.
It's so interesting. I'm feeling a little bit ripped off because I missed it last night. So any ideas